Welcome to the Fishing Musicians Fishing and Travel Adventures.
Possible sighting of beef loaf through the bushes.
Hi everyone, thanks for tuning into the Fishing Musicians YouTube channel. This week I found some old footage from 2015. A trip to the Miramichi to my cousin's camp called MullAlley, and with a few famous people you might recognize. It's just a typical night and day at a camp on the Miramichi River during salmon season. So please enjoy, it's a short one, and hit that subscribe button and the bell for notifications because we do have some awesome adventures coming up in the next couple of months. Cheers everyone.
Can't get the fish if you're lying in the water. Well, if you're out, don't drink, you ain't got a chance. Big bad old big thing. Can't get the fish if you're lying in the water.
Hi, I'm Vince Swayze. I've been guiding and fishing on this river for about 70 years. And we're right now at Bullock's Pool on the southwest Miramichi. And it's been a pretty productive place to be fishing the last few days. We've caught a lot of fish and there's good numbers of fish in this pool. I started in fishing when I was about 5 years old. Mother wouldn't allow me to go to the river by myself, but I would wait till my older brother got out of school and then we could go fishing. And all those years I fished with, it was mostly bait back in those years. And when I get into fly fishing, I'd tie a fly from chicken feathers and gum wrapper and try to fish for salmon with them. Even then we'd catch a few, but there's nobody uses that type of material anymore. So that went on and on for years. When I got to be about 18, I couldn't wait to get out of here. After I got away for a few years, I couldn't wait to come back. So I come back and I've been running fishing camps on this river and also on the Bonaventure River in Quebec for the last 55 years or so. Things have changed considerably over all the years that I've been at this. One time our major complaint was the commercial fishery, and the Miramichi was labeled a gross river. That was all we had to fish for. After 1983, the commercial fishery stopped, and it's really improved. The size of the fish in the river has been fantastic compared with what they were years ago. There's a lot of big fish now, and it doesn't seem to be as many grills as there were most years, so why they're staying out there longer and growing bigger, and we're not killing them. So I'm going down with that one jump there in a few minutes, and I want to try this dry fly. That's great dry fly area, and I'm hoping that one of those fish will come up and take and continue to jump the way it has been.
Oh dear. So here we go, we're trying to make a peg for the guitar. This is how we do it in New Brunswick. We're missing a peg for the string.
3 months later, I gotta set it up.
We just talk about the weather. All we ever do is complain. Cause all my friends have had hip replacements. They slipped and fell in the floor basements. Hell, like their bones are frail. Years ago, we were stealing bases. Now all we do is have wheelchair races. Oh, all my friends had hip replacements.
Well, there's people, mom people, what do they know? Go to work and they summarize. Have vacation and go to Mexico. Yeah.
we bought a farm in Saskatchewan last year, so I went to see him. So when I got to the farm, it was dark and the music was blaring out of the barn. So I peeked through a crack in the door and hid my brother doing a strip tease in front of a Massey Ferguson tractor. He was dancing all around, threw his hat in the hay, kicked his boots off, down with the bracers. I opened the door, said, "What the hell are you doing, Bob?" He said, "Well, me and the wife aren't getting along that well in the bedroom," type of thing, you know. So I went to see a therapist, and she told me to do something sexy to a tractor.
Susie, that you're the best. Never seen you with a fish on hand. Got a bull and a big old land. Never seen you get 'em wet. Can't catch fish if you're lying in the water. Can't catch fish if you're lying in the water. Well, if you ride no jig, you ain't got a chance. Think that on the big than that. Can't catch fish if you're lying